this is the first video in my Halloween series. I'm going to be doing Disney princess theme video. I did find a lot of pictures off of Pinterest. If you guys don't know, I use Pinterest a lot to find video ideas for makeup. It helps a lot. So yeah, so this is my Snow White look. I hope you guys liked it. I did a little bit differently this year. Some gems, just to spice up the look. And I think it turned out pretty well. Not exactly the pictures, but I think my creation turned out pretty well. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let's just get on to the video. Starting off with this Snow White makeup tutorial, we're going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation because Snow White has a very flawless face, so we didn't want to use too heavy foundation on our face. Now to conceal those sleepiness eyes, we're going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and then we're just going to set that with the Maybelline powder, and that will just give you a very nice flawless face. And now for blush, we're going to use the Revolution palette. We're going to use a really pretty pinkish reddish color just on our apples on our cheek because just Snow White has that glow, and we just want to get that redness in this tutorial. And now for that glow, we're just going to use a Wet n Wild glow highlighter, and that will give us that very little glow that she had. And now we're just going to prime our eye with the concealer we used before. And now for our eyeshadow, which is the main focus of this look, which is most of my tutorial, we are using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and we're just going to put on a blue eyeshadow first and then a yellow in the crease, and that is the first part of the eyeshadow look. Now we're just going to add a red as like a waterline up top, and this is like a reddish pinkish color. It really didn't turn out the best that I wanted it to. And now we're just going to also add a sparkle, and this is the Wet n Wild just eyeshadow. It didn't turn out the best, but we tried. Now for the last part of this look, we got these body jewels. I got them at Party City. They were like $4 or $5. Not the best. I wouldn't recommend buying them. But we want to put them on the ends of our eyes. I tried to do like a purple and a yellow. They didn't really have the colors I wanted to. They kept falling off. But you know what? This was how it turned out, and that was the look. And lastly, for lips, we used a NYX lip butter in like a bright red color, and that is the finished makeup look. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more Halloween tutorial coming your way, Disney themed. And yeah, a lot of Disney princesses have so many ideas. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And so I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.